Alright, might look a little messy and silly in the moment, but I've tipped Marduk over onto his side, and unfortunately I didn't bolt down the head panel, so it's a little crooked and fell off, but I have put on the carriage mounting bits. Let me bring my light over. You can see it's bolted onto the runner under panel thingies with two bolts, one on each post. One there, and one there. I'm going to be bolting these cross struts on just by drilling a hole and slipping it in, which will give it more stability because it kind of wiggles a little bit. But given the height estimate, it's going to be about 11 feet 6 inches tall, a little shorter than my initial estimates, but it's looking good. Been using my what did I put it? Handing in the 100-meter measuring tape here to go from the bottom of the wheels. These idler wheels, which actually stand about an inch or so off the ground to give it a little clearance if Marduk rocks side to side a bit. And also a sort of improv wheels when the motor carriage, aka snowblower, which is over there in the dark, is unattached. So, pretty much just gotta connect these on, like that, and like, well, that goes there. It's got a little tension down there, but that will go right there. Give it some nice triangular bracing. And then I'll be doing the same with the legs, but giving them a slight angle. Now what happened with the previous legs, as they got moisture, the screws came undone. So the slight angle actually caused the wheel to start to peel away from the, hold on, I'll just go over to the legs and show you. Looking a little neater in here, because I actually cleaned it. Now, which leg was it? This one. What happened was the can't really see that one, so we'll just use this one as an example. See how the wheel carriage is attached? You've got this the forks, and then you've got this cross piece right here that goes along the bottom. Now what happened was because of the angle, this was literally popping out. So I added some L brackets on the other leg, and hopefully that will do the trick. I'll be installing these. I'm going to be busy selling keychains at a local spooky house because it's Halloween, almost. So probably not going to work on this until about Sunday. But, you know, I've got the general idea down. This is going to look kind of awkward if the delivery guy comes down to look at it and is like, hey, why is your giant robot on the side? But, you know, progress is progress. So, that is all for now. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.